What's up, everybody? It's Flopping Groper, September 20th, 2024. And Bitcoin has been doing its thing, rallying up, finally testing our all-time high VWAP, the orange VWAP placed at Bitcoin's all-time high. Feels like forever ago that we were at these lows down here, talking about the hope of a bullish Bitcoin, and we got it, that's for sure. Now that we're at this point, I begin to get a little cautious about more upside. Obviously, there is a little bit more pumpage to go if we can get a solid conclusion to this upward break. I think that we possibly could come up and test these upper trend lines here, squeeze out another 5, 6, 7% pumpage. That being said, a bullish September kind of spells a little bit of trouble for October. So what I mean by that is, if we continue to pump going into October, we get fresh VWAPs for quarter 4 and October here, and one of the first things we're going to want to do is crash down to the September VWAP, which is this yellow line down here, as well as the quarter 3 VWAP, this neon green VWAP here. So this is the kind of trade setup that I'm anticipating going into October. Even though there are some nice signs for Bitcoin in the charts on the macro. So if we go to the monthly, obviously still quite a bleak overall situation here with that wave looking like it might lose the 60 line. But you do see signs of slowing. If this monthly can hold at these levels, the yellow oscillator will have begun to pinch upwards a little bit, and you have the beginnings, the inkling of a green dot forming in a second head, a double-breasted blue wave on the monthly, which would support the theory of a higher high for Bitcoin, even if it's a divergent one and it's a bloodbath from that point. It would be nice to get a higher high this cycle, and we don't have to get a higher high, but I would expect that any kind of green dot soon on this monthly will lead to a higher high on Bitcoin. Now if we go to the weekly is still freshly bullish, although this entire candle played out already, so you're kind of a little late to the bullish party. Definitely a late believer. But I guess there's still a little bit of juice left on that weekly until further notice. And pretty much the same deal on these daily time frames here. It does just look like it wants to grind up slowly for the remainder of September, in which case we get some much needed corrections as the sentiment on crypto Twitter gets overly bullish. Once we take this high here, I believe that people are going to be a little too gung-ho. They're going to be like, here we go, thinking Bitcoin's going to 100K. But you kind of have the perfect recipe for at least some sort of correction down to like here, and you maybe come up like that. So cautiously optimistic on Bitcoin, thinking that probably there's not really going to be too much breakage of the triangle structure until election season. This is election day here, November 5th, the red dotted line. But I think I'm gonna be taking it relatively easy on the trades until October. This month's been absolutely crazy, guys. Look at my P&L chart for the last couple months. Absolutely crazy. Basically quadrupled the account here. So the trades have been going really great. Make sure you guys follow my Twitter at FloppingGroper. And I want to take this time to talk about the push-up challenge. So, man, on every social media, I've got people doing this push-up challenge. So on Instagram, I think we have 3 guys. Got all of our boys doing them on Instagram. On Twitter, I've got like 5 or 6. Like, look at all these dudes posting push-ups on here. I've been posting them in there too. And what else is there? Oh, on YouTube we've got a bunch of like channels dedicated to the push-up challenge. So keep pushing, guys, and I'll show the chat. There's a push-up challenge chat, and everyone's been updating in there. I told people if they do 30 days of the push-up challenge, I'll get them in the VIP for free. So I'm extending that to you guys, my YouTube audience. If you guys do 100 push-ups a day for 30 days and you tag Nick Cipher on social media and you post that proof of work, I will give you the VIP for free. The calls have been absolutely fire. It is a tight-knit little crew of FG VWAP traders, so don't be afraid to come in here. I am going to be raising the price and changing it to a monthly rate very soon. So just be mindful of that. You might want to get in on this VIP now while it's just a $500 lifetime thing, because I'm thinking about cranking it up to like a pretty hefty monthly fee very soon. So make sure you guys check out the VIP, and I'll even add the Discord link in the YouTube description of this video. And what else is there to say? What else is there to say? Short term, looking like Bitcoin's having a little bit of trouble. We're quite bearish divergent at the all-time high VWAP, just like we were back here. So curious to see if we can even go higher from this point. We do have an ascending 5-day simple. You see the slope of that black area, that ascending 5-day simple there. So, you know, it's a little bit risky. It's not very good risk management to be shorting, but there might be a pullback coming, in which case you might be able to re-enter a pretty solid long, maybe down at the poop line at 61K or something like that in the next coming days. But trade safe, guys. Use good risk management. And I'm going to put more videos out very soon about a couple topics I've been thinking in my head. One is why the 5-day simple? Why do we use that black area for our risk management? Two is more in-depth how-to type information about the anchored VWAPs and different ways I've been using them lately. And the last is just more market cipher related content. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the price of my VIP so that I'm feeling more at ease with the work I'm doing for other people during my trading journey. And once I've got that sorted out, once the money's talking, then I'm going to feel more obligated to pump out higher quality videos for you guys, both paid and free. So I just want to say thank you guys for funding and supporting my trading journey. The 100 grand I started with on this account was money that I made working for my brother, selling consultations, doing one-on-ones, working with traders directly in the Market Cipher community. And I'm just grateful to every one of you guys. I'm glad that I got you guys in my group. I'm glad that we're inspired. We're killing these markets. We're trading better than we ever have at any time in the past. And so I just want you guys to know that you are loved, you are blessed, we are blessed. And man, just I hope you guys follow me on my road to 1 million, and I promise to help everyone around me come up as I come up, and we're all just gonna do amazing things together. So you guys have a good one. Subscribe to the channel, like and subscribe, drop a comment and share, and I'll talk to you guys again. Thank you for watching this video.